A sparrow was looking for shelter to protect her babies from the upcoming rain. She approached a tree by the riverbank and asked for permission to build her nest. The tree, however, refused rudely. Hurt, the sparrow went to another tree which allowed her to build that nest. As the rain began, a strong current swept the first tree into the river. The sparrow saw this and commented, "Oh tree, you refused me in arrogance, and now you're being punished for it." Calmly responding while being washed away, the tree said, "I knew my roots were weak. I would not have survived this rain, and I didn't want to risk the lives of you and your babies. That's why I refused. Forgive me if my refusal hurt you." Moral? Sometimes refusal is not a sign of arrogance, but a decision for the greater good. We should try to understand the reasons behind rejection, as it could carry hidden wisdom.